It's rare that, the White House comes out and says this was a nation state trying to hack us. And I know the White House said there'll be a proportional response. What does that mean?
The same approach we've used with terrorists and those who proliferate with weapons of mass destruction. So consequences can range from, these are all legally available tools, prosecuting someone, using the Treasury Department authority to sanction individuals or companies or nation states responsible, using Commerce Department authorities to say that your company is one no one can do business with without a license. We did that in that case of that Chinese hacker, Su Bin, who's with the PLA. It could be diplomatic, it could be military if it's a case where it's called death or destruction, it could be covert action, the full range of legal tools. And then the way we've done it with terrorism or weapons of mass destruction is we sit around the Situation Room, each thinking about what our agency's legal authorities are, and construct a strategy that'll cause pain to the adversary, that'll cause them to change their behavior.
What do you think we're going to see in the next couple of weeks?
And I believe strongly in this approach of bringing deterrence to the table. And we did, whether it's with the Islamic State in the Levant, Syrian Electronic Army, nation states, we've shown time and again that we can figure out who did it, so we can impose consequences. And what we've said is we got to look across all our tools, just like we do when we confront the terrorist threat. No legal tools should be off the table. And we need to publicly say there will be consequences, not just for the particular group that's attacking at the time, but so that all the other countries and some of the non-state actors who are like, what can I get away with in cyberspace? Maybe it's cost-free because it's anonymous, to show them that's not the case. As you look ahead to a next administration when it comes to cyber, there's kind of three areas I think we could improve on or focus on. One is continue to put the resources in and stay wedded to an approach of bringing deterrence to the game, taking action. Number two, we got to figure out ways to get companies to share information with us, because this is a threat that's new insofar as we got to work with the private sector and get the government better at sharing information back. And number three is, before we move towards this Internet of Things, whether it's missiles or airplanes or cars that are internet connected, or even the devices in our bodies, in our hearts, when it comes to pacemakers, we got to make sure that we build security by design on the front end.